Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you two steps on how to fix high disk usage in Windows. So that's your computer completely messed up and it's not running at its good state, then please watch this video. Okay, the first step is you need to search for services here at the bottom search bar. Then here, click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you click this. Once done, you will be redirected to this new screen. Let me expand this first. And then click on anywhere, then type SYS so that you will be redirected to this sysmain. Okay, so once you're done, just simply do a right click and then scroll down to locate properties. Then you will be redirected to this new window. In this startup type, just disable it. Okay, scroll down, disabled, and then click on apply, then okay. Okay, so we are done to the first step. Let's proceed to the second one and the last one. All you have to do is you're going to Task Manager by right clicking here in the windows and then scroll up Task Manager. Let me expand this first. Okay, here you can see a lot of options at the left side of your screen. All you have to do is you are going to locate the startup apps. Just simply click that. Once you're here, all you have to do is you are going to identify those unwanted applications that you no longer needed in your Windows. So let's identify this one. So in my case, I have already identified those, and here some of the applications are already disabled and enabled. Just make sure that your Windows security notification is enabled because this will completely care and protect your computer. Okay? So once done, all you have to do is you're going to restart your computer. And once you are done restarting, then you're good to go. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.